Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to exchange your hash cards. Okay, I've showed this in my previous video. I will drop the link in the description. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join. Okay, like I explained in my previous video, it's the same thing you joining the card which another miner has initiated. It's the same thing when you join, and also when you initiate by yourself. All right, they are all going to give you the same result. Okay, the end product is the same. So this is my dashboard. This is my Satoshi coin mining dashboard. Now I want to exchange a card. I have a card here. Okay, let me click on this hash cards. Okay, and I click on hash cards. Then I'll see the card that has been given to me. All right, this is the card I have. That is a spider card. Okay, so if I want to join, I'll simply click on join. All right, I'll simply click on join. As you can see it on the screen, this is join. All right, so I'll click on it. Then I will paste the code. All right, now how do I get this code? I'll go to the Telegram groups where Satoshi hash cards and gift cards are being exchanged. So I will search for whoever that has spider card, so that I will come back here, I will paste it, then I will click on confirm. So let me quickly go to my Telegram channel where I have different Satoshi coin mining community. Okay, now I'll have to scroll through to look for the same card which I have, and that card is spider card. So I'm going to look around. Okay, let's see if we have a spider card here. Okay, I've seen one, so I'll click on it, then copy it. Okay, let me go to my notes and edit it out so that I'll copy only the card code. Okay, this is it. So I highlight it, then I've cut it. That's almost the same as copied. So I come here, I'll paste it, then click on confirm. Okay, now this card has reached the maximum participant. So what I'll do now is I'll go back and search for other groups that has a spider card. Okay, I think I see one here. Okay, let me go through. Oh, this is too much. Okay, this is spider card. Okay, no, this is Satoshi card. Okay, this is spider card. I've highlighted it and I've copied it. So let me paste it and copy out the code, only the code. Let me cut it. Then I'll come back to my app, my Satoshi app. I'll open it again. Okay, go back to my hash card, then click on join. Then let me see, I'll paste this one and click on confirm. Okay, now as you can see, this card, the person who initiated this card initiated for 3 persons. Okay, initiated for 3 persons. Of course, in my previous video, if you watched it, you understand that you can exchange for up to 5 persons. You can exchange for 2, 3, 4, okay, and 5 persons. So this is how to join, how to exchange a hash card by joining the initiation which someone else did. Okay, now whether you join, like I said before, or whether you initiate the card yourself, you are all still going to get the same value. Okay, but the difference will be where you have this final hash. Okay, where you have this final hash as 3.3. okay, now if it is initiated for about, let's say if it's initiated for 5 persons, you are going to get more value there. That is the only difference. Okay, now if this person had initiated for 5 persons, okay, and someone else like this here initiated for 3 persons, the value you are going to get will not be the same. Okay, because the one for 5 person has a larger value. Okay, it comprises of it comprises about 5 persons, while this one comprises of just 3 persons. So the value you are going to get will not be, it will not be the same. Okay, now let us wait for some time for another miner to join this card, then after which we come back and we click on sorry, after which the person will execute the initiation. So let's wait and see. Okay, hello guys, I hope you're still with me. Now as you can see, I went back and I click on my hash card, and I discover here that there is no more hash card left for me here. Okay, there is no hash card here for me. So what it means is that the person who initiated this card has executed it. All right, the person has executed it, and the value has added up to my hash which I have here. Okay, it has added up to my hash. So that is how to exchange hash card by joining the initiation which another miner has initiated. Okay, so this is how to exchange hash cards. All right, thank you for being with me to the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video.